Education sector in India. The 5 years plan, started after independence, helped the growth of the country in education like other areas. However, due to some inherent weaknesses at the execution part, the expected success was not being achieved. So, in order to improve the educational setup, the government constituted two commissions after independence. Kothari Commission 1964 to 1966. Kothari Commission, being chaired by Mr. D.S. Kothari, then chairman of UGC, was appointed under provision of a resolution of the Government of India, dated 14 July 1964, and eminent educationists in diverse fields from India and abroad. This commission was not to limit its inquiry to specific sectors or aspects of education, but to have a comprehensive review of the entire educational system. Government expenditure on public education. As a part of the 10th Five-Year Plan, 2002 to 2007, Indian government outlined an expenditure of 65.6% of its total education budget of 43,800 crore rupees, that is 28,800 crore rupees on elementary education, 9.9%, that is 4,325 crore rupees on secondary education, 2.9%, that is 1,250 crore rupees on adult education, 9.5%, that is 4,176.5 crore rupees on higher education, 10.7%, that is 4,700 crore rupees on technical education, and the remaining 1.4%, that is 623.5 crore rupees on miscellaneous education schemes. We can find the increasing trend over the years and moving up from 0.5% of GDP in 2000 to 2001 to 0.9% of GDP in 2009-2010, while state's share has declined from 3.3% of GDP in 2000 to 2001 to 2.7% of GDP in 2010-11. However, the centre bears only 1/4 of the total government spending on education, whereas the rest 3/4 of the spending comes from the state governments.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.